Now you can reset your Oki drum page count to 0 for only $3.25 a reset, and with ease of just a few seconds in your time, saving time and money while resetting your Oki drums about 1/10 the price of the higher end products such as Pill and Stick without using a soldering iron either. This product can be utilized for Oki machines of models shown below. A much simpler approach to the competitor's offering of Pill and Stick, which amounts to simpler in usage and cost to you. Basically, you hang a fuse off the correct terminals of the printer. No soldering iron is required. Full instructions are provided after purchase. Basically, a link to the instructions are provided after payment by automatic email we send to your PayPal email address. We sell on both eBay and direct, have many satisfied customers and feedback on eBay with this product. If you wish to see the independent feedback, please visit our eBay site. If you wish to buy off or direct site listed in the link provided below video. We provide the savings of 10% we normally pay to eBay and seller fees as additional savings when you buy direct. The instructions either way are automatically sent to your PayPal email address after purchase. I do think our competitor's offering of Pill and Stick is a very good product offering, but really not necessary to save either time or massive money in a drum reset for Oki. Thank you for listening to our product offering, and please visit our site, copycat.com, as we also sell do-it-yourself reset kits for many other drums, toners, and fusers of all kinds of makes, manufacturers, and model numbers.